is indeed a day to recall back the time when this very department, that is the PG Department of Law, was established. Today, we are gathered here on the occasion or rather the celebration of 45th Foundation Day of this department. Having said that, I, Nikya Gauhati, take my stand here to welcome and wish a very warm afternoon to respected Dr. James Sakar sir, our Chief Guest for the event, Dr. Ranjan Kumar Kakura sir, our Guest of Honor, Dr. Suruti Rekha, Dean and HOD, our Professors, Dr. Aparajita. Our HOD ma'am to kindly come to the podium and deliver the welcome address.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Chief Guest, Dr. J.S. Sarkar sir, Senior Advocate of the Gauhati High Court and former Senior Faculty of the Department of Law, Gauhati University. Respected Guest of Honor, Dr. Ranjan Kumar Kakoti, Director Student Welfare, Gauhati University. My colleague, Dr. Aparajita, Dr. Rupani Devvarma, Mr. Manasri Raj, Gaurav Goswami, Research Scholars Gopal Das and Divakar Sarma, and other guest faculties may be present, and teaching associates I have already mentioned, and my dear students, participants present here. Today we are here to celebrate the 45th Foundation Day of the Department of Law of the Gauhati University. On 23rd March 1946, this department became an integral part of the prestigious Gauhati University. The founding day is an auspicious day for any educational institute because from this day, the institute started the academic journey. So it is the day when past, present and future of the institute come together and can frame the roadmap for future academic journey, so that it would raise to the greatest possible height and dimension in all aspects. On this occasion, we should not forget to express our heartfelt gratitude to the founders of the department. They had a vision in founding the Department of Law for imparting higher legal education in this region during this area of legal educational and research journey could not or beyond it measurable. We must express our gratitude to late Professor Jamini Mohan Chaudhary. He was then the Vice Chancellor of the university when this department was established. And Honorable Justice M.C. Pathak, Honorable Justice D.D. Pathak, Pandit Manoranjan Sastry. After the inception of the department, number of legal luminaries ignited the torch of legal education with their profound knowledge in legal education and professional disposition. Few of them were late Kitish Chandra Methi, the then principal of the University Law College. He was also the first dean and head of the Faculty of Law during the period 1977 to 78. Next, in the year 1979, Professor Kumudnath Sharma joined the department as head of the department from Allahabad University, and from this year, the department had a dynamic, permanent, full-time teacher and head of the department. Under his able guidance and proactive initiation, the department achieved the permanent separate building donated by Megor Company. Prior to Professor K.N. Sharma, there was a Dr. S.D. Sharma from Kurukshetra University served the department HOD for a short period. Thereafter, Professor Sanajaba Singh became the head and then dean, and he has a lot of contribution in the academic field. Honorable Justice K.N. Saikya, Dr. N.K. Singh, Dr. H.N. Kalita, S.C. Buragohai, R.C. Kakoti also served the department as guest faculty during the initial stage to fill up the gaps, that is the needs of the student, fill up the needs of the students during the initial stage to fill up the gap of the needs of the students having LLM degrees. So they required the LLM degree from different states of the nation and served here as a guest faculty. Without their vision and constant support and blessings, this institute would not have become what it is today. This department was the only academic unit to fulfill the needs of the higher legal education in the entire Northeast India. Today, I feel proud to welcome and honor our first LLM, who successfully came out with flying colors in LLM examination of 1979, held in 1981. Dr. Jawaharlal Sarkar, one of our most respected teachers. Now he is the senior advocate of the Gauhati High Court and today graced the occasion as chief guest. He was also serving the department as a regular faculty for a long period, and we are proud that we are students of our sir, Dr. J.L. Sarkar. So he taught us constitutional law, and I was also one of his student as well as junior in the High Court also. He is teaching me how to practice in a CAT, that is Central Administrative Tribunal, as well as in Gauhati High Court. So I was teaching, that is practicing in the High Court 15 years. I had also long experience in practicing also. So thank you, sir. I would like to offer my rich tribute to those our teachers and founders who are no more in this world. I must also acknowledge their contribution for development of the department and for achieving the desired goal. Special thanks also go to our teachers who have been with the institute since its inception. This department produces academically qualified individuals, eminent law teachers, legal luminaries, judges of the high courts, then judicial officers, civil servants, and learned advocates. On this Foundation Day, we take pledge to work honestly and wishes from our seniors and well-wishers so that we succeed in our mission. Once again, I extend a hearty welcome to you all and all distinguished guests present here and the participants from different departments of our university. Thank you. Thank you all.
Parshita ma'am to kindly come to the podium and give us a brief detail about the history of the department.
All the dignitaries assembled here. It is indeed a very auspicious day for our department. Way back in 1976, the department was established on this day, and today is the 45th foundation day of our department. HOD ma'am has already touched upon all the aspects of basically the history of the department. However, I had prepared one brief note, and it is in the website of our department when the NET peer team visited our university in the year of 2018, and we were awarded, our university was awarded A grade. Before reading this one, actually I would like to address the gathering. Respected HOD madam, respected our former teacher, Dr. J.L. Sarkar sir, and also we have eminent personality in the midst of us, though a particular reason sir is outside. Dr. Ranjan Kakotis, he is the director of the students' welfare, and he was instrumental enough in bringing the laurel to the university when the university received the National Service Scheme Award in the year of 2019. I think all the participants are aware of it. And also I welcome, heartiest welcome to all the participants from different departments who have come here for the quiz competition. Our students have arranged for all of you, and the faculties, my colleagues, and the research scholars. Actually, it is a long journey, and from so far as my experience is concerned, though in different capacities, initially as a student, then as a guest faculty, then as a permanent faculty, it is more than 2 decades experience with the department. One very striking feature of our department is that the ready-to-serve attitude by the faculties. Whatever we have achieved today, it's because of the untiring efforts of those legal luminaries, those teachers who helped in shaping what we have today. And my heartfelt gratitude goes to each one of them. Our department is one who has already produced more than 1,000 LLM degree holders who have been occupying very high position in the society, either in the academic field or in the practice or in the judicial field. Our teachers have become judges of the Gauhati High Court, also Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir also. Then over the years, the department has already produced more than hundreds PhD degree holders on varied topics of societal importance. It's because of the very multifaceted character of the department. We are actually assembled here. We are very much committed to the vision and the missions of the university. The overall, the fourfold mission of the university is academic excellence, then widening horizon of institutional activity, then the empowered and competent stakeholders, because we have to be very much rooted and we have to know what the stakeholders they want from us. And the last one is the improved support structure. And while designing the mission and the vision of our department also during the time of the NEC PR team visit, I had at that time I had prepared this the vision, which actually caters to the, it has no boundary. Now you all from different departments you have assembled here because we need to join hands in order to grow. And the vision of the department reads like this, I'm reading: developing human capital, because we are human resources. We are in the process of making human resource, and the law of the department is not an exception. So developing human capital which will assist the nation in safeguarding its integrity, ensuring justice and freedom to its citizens, and assisting in its progress and prosperity by laying the foundation for a strong legal framework as per the ideal and aspirations enshrined in the Constitution, because we all know this is the law of the land, our Constitution. So what we do, actually, our missions are fivefold in the department. We always try to impart quality legal education at the LLM level, full-fledged research experience at the PhD level, then critical legal thought and socially relevant dissemination of knowledge of varied areas of laws, then overall growth of the peoples with special emphasis on upholding core societal values with the help of laws. And the last one, that is very, very vital, and the NEP of 2020 also focuses on this aspect. What is that? It is the joining hands with other academic disciplines for collaborative research and legal studies, for building a nation based on four vital components, that is freedom, justice, peace, and common brotherhood. So our platform is one, so we need to develop, we need to join hands, and we have to merge towards achieving a new goal. So today on this occasion, actually, I would like to pray to the Almighty to give us enough strength so that we can move forward without any barrier, without maintaining the integrity of the entire university, and bring laurels to our university and stand erect before the global forum. With these words, I conclude my speech. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Moving forward, I would like to introduce our chief guest for the event, Dr. J.L. Sarkar sir, presently Senior Advocate of Gauhati High Court and former Senior Faculty of the PG Department of Law. He was the first LLM degree holder from this department in the year 1981, and later on went on to pursue his PhD degree from Faculty of Law, Gauhati University. He is a renowned advocate in the field of public interest litigation and holds his expertise in service laws, having number of publications, articles in his name, and has a long teaching experience. Sir, the Department of Law feels fortunate of getting the opportunity to invite you as our chief guest for the celebration of 45th Foundation Day. Sir, kindly come up to the podium and share with us your kind words. But before that, I would like to request HOD ma'am to kindly present sir with a token of honor and appreciation from our side. A Horai and a copy of Vidhi Jyoti and the Gauhati University Law Journal.
Respected chairperson for today's gathering, my mission of law personality. So I again express my respect to the personality. But as she has already said, she is my very favorite student. She was my junior, having a very good practice, particularly for the downtrodden people. She did a lot of cases, number of cases. She was qualified to be a judge of the High Court. And she asked me, sir, what should I do? I told her my suggestion was that you be a teacher. And she accepted that. So the today's chairperson is also my student, and I express my love for such student. Then my respect to the Honorable Dr. Gauhati of the welfare branch of this university. I also pay my respect to another student, Aparajita, who was today standing there to receive me. I became emotional. Another teacher, Rupali, she also was standing there. And when I pay my respect to her also. Another student whom I got in the JB Law College as my first teaching experience, he went and met me and he told that, I told him that I had seen you somewhere, that I was your beloved student in the JB Law College. So I pay respect to him also. I have my blessings to all the students, including the students from other faculties of this university. So God bless with the blessings of Ma Saraswati that you all prosper in your life. I was very happy when some of the girl students also went there and met me. I remember that my philosophy and vocation for advancement of learning and education for the girls is attaining its progress. With this address, I should say a few words because I also know that there is a function after this. Your senior also told me. Conference hall reminds me of many conferences here. The development of this university has been very nicely explained by Stuti, the head of the department, and also Aparajita, the teacher of this department. So I do not like to repeat the same. But if I speak much, then you will, and all other people will think that beating his own drum. I do not like to beat my drum, but I like to beat the drum of Gauhati University. I like to beat the drum of this law department. With those beating, nothing is achieved. I am telling you this. I have experienced this. With this experience, this department has come. Department of Journalism has developed. I was also a student of the journalism department. That was earlier a diploma course. And my college students suffered a lot when in other universities for admission. Then he came to me and I took the matter. So what is this? With the same course, other universities are having degree, here only a diploma and they cannot have the master degree. So it has been elevated. Now regarding coming to this department, I also tell something, but if I omit some names, it is not intentional and maybe excused. She has taken all the relevant names. Actually, when I was a student of LLB in Gauhati University Law College, I was aspiring that there should be LLM classes. I was aspiring, but there was no scope. In the entire northeastern zone, there was no scope. I represented to the authorities in my capacity as a student, not student leader, but as a pure student. But I was assured that it will be open. It will be open. After my marriage, when I went for a tour with my wife, I went to the Allahabad University. I was standing before the Allahabad University Department of Law. I was thinking, where I am there? I am in Assam and it is Uttar Pradesh, a place of learning. But Assam has produced so many scholars. But LLM, nil. There was no LLM. I was standing for a few minutes. Then I came again. I again met the authorities. And my teacher, Justice Domrudhar Pathak, you also have read his Hindu law, book on Hindu law. He was an LLM from the London University, LLM London. I met him, he told that yes, it should be open. He was my teacher. When I did my LLB, he was the principal. So that was going on. When I am being short, I am not boring you, you should know the history. Then when I was a journalism student, I was passing through the department of that old, now law college, there, and the Dean Faculty of Law, our HOD has told you, Dean Kiti Chandra Bedi. He saw and came for us. Jawaharlal, this department is opening this law department, LLM classes. You meet and get you admission. I went to the journalism department. In the GU journal, I published the headline, Gauhati University opens LLM classes. So LLM classes were open. That is the foundation of this department. It started with 9 students. 10 was the quota, but only 9 students were admitted. And as Shruti has already told, from those 9 students, second batch came, third batch came. And it was such system in those days that as Shruti, I do not take any pride for that. As Shruti has said, that is the history. I was the only man who came out in the as the first LLM. So it is I am happy that you have felicitated me for that. But it is not my gain, but gain for all the students that Gauhati University got this LLM department among the A&E zone. That is the first department. Now, in Gauhati itself, there are many departments. Dibrugarh University appointed me to scrutinize and investigate the merit, whether it can be open LLM. I examined and LLM was open there. In other classes also. Why I say some beating up down is necessary. In those days, we were aware that neglected Assam and neglected any zone. We could have waited for so many years to have this department. But after that struggle, the students got it. And another aspect which I like to say, this is a pioneer achievement of this department, Gauhati University, for Assam and any zone. Here in this conference hall, in the year probably 2003, or 2002, Stuti also submitted a paper, probably Opposite also submitted a paper. Purnima Advani, chairman of this Women's Commission, came here with a team. It is a statutory commission. Your teachers, Stuti and Opposite, they have also submitted papers. And my friend, Professor Bujar Borua, he was a teacher of this department also. He told me, Sarkar, apni kibata examine karo for the women. Our Act says that women have been given equal right in devolution of property. I think there is some gap. You finally examine and submit a paper. I don't know how I can. No, you study, you can. Then I studied. I discussed with my colleague also, Tuti, and that what is the position of the women. Now, as a student, we have read Section 6 of the Hindu Succession Act has taken the concept of Hindu joint family, Section 6, by giving equal rights to the women in the inheritance of property. I examined thoroughly, being encouraged by my friend Bujarulwa, Stuti and Opposite all over there. Then I submitted a paper. Here in this conference hall, probably then HOD was Dr. Sanaja watching, he is no more here now. He left. Purnima Advani was so happy. We did not know this. I said that it is under camouflage. It is said that women have got equal right. But I am placing today that women have not been given equal right under the Hindu Succession Act. It is a camouflage. It is a rather English word cheating. Betrayed the cause of the equality. Betrayed the cause of Article 14. No, daughters have not been given equal right. How? I am giving you an example. If the father, if there was a say property of 100 rupees, then if he has one daughter and two sons, these 100 rupees should be divided among these three. In the proportionary women who are not members. Hindu law is the subject of this. Read today. So, you know proportionary. So, by friction of law, notional partition, these 100 rupees shall be divided among the proportioners. So, here daughter is eliminated. So, suppose there are 5 proportioners, then this 100 rupees is divided into 5, that is 20. Father gets only 20, two sons get 20 each, daughter is not given. Then that father's 20 rupees is divided among the 3 sons and daughters. So, say 7 rupees. Daughter gets 7 and sons get 27 approximately. So, is it equality? Understand? Then I remember Purnima Advani was telling, I did not know this. You all say that 56 Act has given equal share to the daughters. Then this conference hall adopted this resolution and Madam Advani assured that I shall place it before the law ministry and cabinet also that it should be done. My recommendation was that either you abolish proportionality or you say that the daughters are also proportionals. She took this up and now in the 2006, Act 5, 2006, it has been amended. The girls are now proportionals by their birth. The daughters are proportionals by their birth. So, the notional partition made there is gone. 6 capital A, you read it, 6 capital A is the section of Hindu Succession Act, which has got the daughters in real equality under the Succession Act. So, this has been done, but this amendment has been from Assam, any zone, and particularly Department of Law, Gauhati University. This conference hall is known to nobody. Therefore, I say sometimes beating of drum is also necessary. Entire India should be grateful to this Department of Law. It is my reading. Whether you will agree with me, I do not know. Should be thankful and grateful to this Department of Law, this conference hall. It emanated from here. Therefore, I again telling, sometimes beating of drum is necessary, but not for oneself, but for common good. With this shows the importance of this law department of Gauhati. Now, coming to the past and present, already spoken, I shall not. So, in the beginning, there were 9 students, no teachers, no library. It was in the old law college now, that was the area now. There were classes, no teachers. Some scholars came from qualification which they from other universities. Dr. Harananath Kulita, who was the principal of Government Law College, and Mr. Ochut Chandra Deka, he is still alive. He also used to come here, deliver some lecture, and other names, Tuti has already said, Raman Kakoti, Mr. Gauhati, Professor Dr. Hossain was the principal of this law college. He also delivered lectures. Dr. Hossain gave some handwritten manuscript notes he had obtained from Aligarh Muslim University. Gave it to me. Doctor, this is, you read it. I was much benefited. Dr. Haran Kulita told me, read these books. Books are not available. N.K. Singh, Tuti has already said, N.K. Singh gave me the name of Triparty, Spotlight on Indian Constitution. Tuti has been scholar on that. So in this way, we got some light. No library in the present law college library, LLB classes, Gauhati University. That was a small room, their classes were there. No teacher, something developed, and Dean K.C. Mehdi was the head, and Dean Director Mr. Sharma from Kolkata University came here. Then came our N. Sharma. N. Sharma was a very high scholar of reputation. He was also busy in this Assam movement for the cause of Assam. He was the interpreter. So in this way, the department started, and the department has a history. This department has produced Chief Minister Prafullo Kumar Mohanto. Prafullo Kumar Mohanto was a LLM student from classes to Chief Minister. LLM classes, LLM you write, and then CM it will tell you numerically. Then he became the Chief Minister. Thereafter also we have got Chief Minister Sarvananda Sonowal from this department. We got Speaker Lokesh Borua. All were my students, brilliant students. Then now present day academic administrator Jagannath Sharma, Nehru. Jagannath Sharma was a very intelligent student here. All were here. I may forget many names also. Among the judges, Justice D.K. Sharma, Biplab Kumar Sharma was a teacher and also a student of this law department. Now he has been the chairman of the implementation of the Assam Accord process. Now Ujjwal Bhuiya, Justice Ujjwal Bhuiya, High Court Judge, now in Telangana. Probably he will become the Chief Justice there. Then Nishitendra Chaudhary, Gauhati High Court Judge. Unfortunately, in your young age he expired. Also Justice Surana from this department. From this department, Advocate General was Mr. Gauhati Gauhati. He was a student and teacher of this department. These are checkered history of this department, and many teachers of this department are now holding the valuable post of principal and teachers of many university, law colleges. I was now asking one Naga lady was there. She is a teacher in Naga University. Osamna Joseph was a Carolian. She informed me later on that sir, I have become a teacher. Probably now she is retired or principal. So this is a very small background. I shall not take much time from you. It is a pleasure today. Stuti, Aparajita, they are here. Today I told Aparajita. Do you remember I was torturing you in the classroom? Sir, that is why. Stuti also I told the same thing. So I should not take much time. Oshini, when he went to me, he told that there is a quiz program. I want and wish very bright success of this program, and it is a very good thing that other departments have been represented here. So with this I conclude, wanting a prosperity of this department, prosperity of the teachers of this department and students of this department and the students of Gauhati University.
Dr. Ranjan Kumar Kakoti sir joined the Department of Physics as a professor before taking the office of the Director of Students' Welfare. He also currently serves as the Program Coordinator of Gauhati University NSS Cell and has made us proud by receiving the prestigious National Service Scheme Award in the year 2019. Thank you, sir, for taking out time from your tight schedule and joining us for the event. I would like to request you to kindly come up to the podium and share a few words. But before that, I request Dr. Aparajita Burwa ma'am to kindly present sir with a token of appreciation in form of the Vidhi Jyoti, the journal, and also a small token of appreciation.
Good afternoon to you all. Respected today's chief guest, Dr. J.L. Sarkar, Senior Advocate, Gauhati High Court, and former Senior Faculty, PG Department of Law, Gauhati University. Respected Professor Stuti Deka Madam, Dean and HOD, Department of Law, Gauhati University. Respected other faculty members, Professor Aparajita Burwa, Dr. Rupali Devarma, Dr. Dipankar Das, my dear research scholar friends and students from this department. I am very much happy to be here in this 25th Foundation Day, Department of Law, Gauhati University. This department has been playing a vital role in the society. The alumni of these departments has played a great role in the society. And we are hoping from you, these present students, in near future. Wherever you go, wherever you see the great fields, great personalities in the field of law, mostly they are the alumni of Gauhati University. The laurels, the happiness we get by hearing their great personalities, they are from Gauhati University. The service providing by this Department of Law for last 25 years. So for this, we are paying a great honor to all the faculty members of this Department of Law. Like Sarkar sir and other great personalities are there who serve these departments and bring to this a new shape. Whatever the Sarkar sir have mentioned about the past histories, past personalities of this department, few became chief minister, few became chief justice, few became other great personalities. But we have some responsibilities for a holistic development of these institutions. I want to say a few lines pointing some development activities of these institutions, of this university campus. Being a Department of Law students, we have the responsibility to give some awareness about legal awareness to the common public. Being a law student, you should give awareness to the non-law students in some common activities. I have been stopped by, example, a constable while going through a vehicle, he want to check some documents, whether he has power or not. I don't know. Somebody informed that at least an inspector level person should be there if he or she want to check your documents. But I have seen a few days back a constable was he used to beat a person. Some Gupta was there while going with his wife and son and daughter. So very pathetic situation was there. So this type of legal points you should make awareness to the non-law students of this Gauhati University student fraternity. We know there should be no shop in the 100-meter distance of gutka, pan, everything in this jurisdiction of the institutions. But we used to see these shops in this university campus, they used to sell gutka, pan and all. Why this is going on? Can't we take a step for betterment of these institutions? So for the legal points, making some awareness, you can bring the point to the administrations and you can take a serious step on this. So in this way, a few years back, also 2 years back, Gopal Das went to my department, discuss some awareness campaign. They said, can you organize this? We thought of this, but it's not materialized in this. For organizing any kind of workshop, if any help required, but one fact is there, one approval is required for the patient is fine. So from Department of Director of Students Welfare, whatever the assistance help required, I am ready to help you. Okay, so my appeal to all the students in this important day, Gauhati University Department of Law Foundation Day, all the students, please do some innovative works, intellectual works, or new ideas to the campus so that people can see you in a different eye. No doubt, I know Uddhat Punanai. One sentence always you say, nobody is there above law. Then, in this perspective, Department of Law in Gauhati University is the highest level. You are at the highest level because you are contributing to the society at great extent. Okay? So use this knowledge, use these your skills, use your power, knowledge, power, law, to the non-law students of this campus. So this is my appeal to your all these cases. And the Rajiv Gandhi National Stop Your Development, RCI, MIT, Serimapuram, NISD, National Stop Social Defense. These organizations give some funding pattern. They provide funds to create some awareness program among your locality. We have some responsibility for our neighboring places also. Apart from growth of the institutions, we should look after the society around us, around our campus. So I hope the Department of Law will take a very good initiative in near future. We are looking forward to you, and I congratulate the Department of Law, Gauhati University, for successfully completing 25 years and great contributions, 45 years of great service to these institutions and to the society, and who create a great percentage in the society. And I'm very much happy to be part of these organizations, part of these institutions here. And thank you all, thank you once again, and wish you all the students a very bright future ahead. Thank you.
In the news, in next, today is 23, and Norton will miss him in next 1 week. So like all these are cricketers, so definitely the answer is a cricketer, but it's a very famous one. Yes. Okay, coming back to question number 4, which was here. So this is, I just want to identify the voice. Identify the voice.
1942, education, my memory. It was a few weeks before my first birthday, and my father had just died. My mother, who had no professional training, found it very hard to spend the fees for our school fees. And my 3 brothers and me, she took the help of friends and scholarships in order to educate us. And I was full of trepidation when I went to meet him, but I put on a brave front, just as I'm doing now. So,
Right. Aadhaar 2017, Nari Shakti 2018, Dash 2019, and Atmanirbharta 2020. The biggest hit we are in the law quiz. When the father son Leo reached the college to take admission in law, the principal of the college, Mr. Carter, was very surprised. He later enrolled both of them in the same section, although for X it was a little embarrassing to be studying with his father, and when his father was in the class, he could not go to the class. So when X did not come to the class, the teacher would ask his father, "Where is your son?" Similarly, when X father does not come to the class, the teacher would ask X, "Where is your father?" At times, several college students used to come to the hostel to watch the father and Leo living together. Even interestingly, they were not in the same department, they were also in the same section, the same time they were hostel roommates. I want X, I don't know the name of his father. I will make it more easy. X was also a prime minister of our country. PG Department of Law, Gauhati University. So we will start from Rohit Prize. Rohit Prize goes to Gopal Sharma and Sanjay Sarkar of Department of Social Affairs. Team comprising of Nigamko Bora and Anshuman Bharadwaj. Normally, the first prize goes to PG Department of Law, Gauhati University. Here we end the foundation day event.